Hello. Today's code error we fixed is E017-0001, which means ETB, disengagement error. The transfer belt here is not in its home position. It should be like this, but why it did return to its home position? What was the problem? What are you doing here, Mr. Lever? Here is the replacement of that broken lever release. There are 4 special screw-like, where this feeder duplexing assembly is hang or hook. Pull out this by lifting. And before you pull out this unit, and to minimize heaviness, remove the fixing unit. Also check the rack release arm, maybe it's broken. It happens sometimes. So, that's it, till next time. Thanks for watching.